How to collect data from landing page form in HubSpot. Go to your HubSpot account. On the left sidebar, click Content, then select Landing Pages. You can either create a new landing page or open an existing one. For this example, I'll use my existing landing page. Click the plus icon on the left side. In the search bar, type Form. Drag the form module to where you want it on your landing page. Type in your form title. Click Select a Form, then Create New Form. Choose either the Form Editor or Legacy Form Editor. I'll use the Form Editor. Click Next at the top right. You can start from scratch or select a template. I'll choose Newsletter, hover over it, and click Choose Template. Edit your form using the options on the left side. Once done, click Review and Update at the top right. Add any form details you want by clicking the highlighted text fields. Click Update to save your changes. Close the pop-up by clicking the X at the top. Go back to your landing page and refresh it. Click the form module you added. Click Select a form and choose the form you just created. Scroll down and check the box Send Form Notifications. Click Choose Email Addresses. Select the email address you want and click Apply Changes. Click Publish at the top right. Click Exit at the top left. On the left sidebar, click Marketing, then Forms. Select the form you just created. Click Submissions. To see all collected data, you can export submissions as a CSV file or view individual contacts in the CRM, and that's it. You've successfully set up a landing page form in HubSpot and can now collect and manage your data easily.